Exercise B1. Some questions with phrasal verbs are given below. Read and answer them. First you have to read and then write answer. ये जो क्वेश्चंस है ये आपको आंसर्स अपने आप लिखने हैं, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चंस के आंसर डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं स्टूडेंट टू स्टूडेंट्स, राइट. तो यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर्स ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, where do you eat out often? Second, who do you get along with well? Third, what happens if you talk back to your teacher? Fourth, where can you look up somebody's telephone number? Fifth, do your friends ever drop by uninvited? Sixth, have you ever run into your teacher at the market? And exercise B2. Match the phrasal verbs with the best meaning. जो phrasal verbs ये sentences में दी गई हैं उनका जो है बेस्ट मीनिंग ये ब्रैकेट्स में दिए गए हैं, सर्च करके लिखने हैं. राइट. तो फर्स्ट है द गैस हीटर ब्लू अप एंड डिस्ट्रॉयड द हाउस. तो ब्लू अप मीनिंग है एक्सप्लोडेड. First. Second, if you come across a post office, can you buy some stamps? Come across का मीनिंग है see by chance. Third, did anybody come up with a solution? Come up, think of. Third. Fourth, there are so many mistakes in the paragraph, we will have to do it over. Do over. Fourth में है redo. His grades were so bad that he decided to drop out of university. Drop out meaning है quit. She picked out a long black dress to wear. Picked out, the correct meaning है picked out. Chose. And we put off our vacation plans until next year. Put off. Correct meaning है delayed. Eighth, I am not going to put up with the noise and garbage anymore. Meaning है tolerate. Eighth. Ninth, I want to get rid of some old clothes. Get rid of. Discard. After we set up the tent, we started to make dinner. Set up. Put together. 10th. He showed up 2 hours late. Meaning arrived. You should take off those wet clothes. Take off you should take off those undress. I turned down the volume after the neighbors complained. Turn down meaning reduced. So you have to complete these exercises.